Academy.com. Academy.com. What's the use of this website? The purpose of this is as leverage. Why? Ano ba yung makikita natin sa Academy? Marketing tool, network marketing tool, all of the topics that you need to learn in building your successful network, nandiyan dyan. English and Taglish. Product presentation, marketing plan, NDO, ASAP 1, ASAP 2, and so many other things. Every week may bagong training material. Professionally done. Okay po ba yun? Pag nalulobak, demotivated ang downline mo, papuntahin mo sa Academy. Pag-click ka, may motivational. Habang natutulog ka, namamotivate yung downline mo. Okay po ba yun? Hindi alam ng prospects mo kung ano business mo, papuntahin mo sa Academy. Sa Academy, ima-mindset siya, sasabihin mo ano yung product, sasabihin mo ano yung business, goal setting, motivation, duplication, leadership, skills, everything is in there. Taglish and English. May downlines ka sa ibang mga bansa, send them to academy.com. Okay na okay? Next. Ano ba features niyan? Ayan. Foundational lessons about MLM. Next. Tutorials. Paano ba mag-sponsor? Paano ba mag-invite? Paano ba mag-follow up? Paano mag-follow through? Ano ba yung products? Everything will be there. And the good news is, it's for free! A lot of people are asking, Doc, ba't meron tayo yan? Because this would serve as a leverage. I know for a fact that we cannot come to your presentations on each and every presentation of yours. May buhay din kami, may pamilya din kami. Same goes with the training team, marketing team, speakers bureau, your uplines. The good thing with Academy, bukas siya 24/7. Habang natutulog ka, nagpapahinga, yung Academy nagpa-present, nagta-training, nag-NDO, nag-ASAP, for each and every one of you. Okay po ba yan? Sa buong Pilipinas, tayo lang po ang may ganyan. I don't know with other companies, but with our company, we focus on training. Why? Because training is so crucial. Pag hindi mo alam kung paano mag-isip, what to say, how to say, when to say it, to your prospects, to your downlines, you will be lost. The good thing with the Academy, it is there already. Okay? Next. Ayan, may mga downloadable materials. Pwede kang mag-download. Next. May mga blogs. Kung yung mga prospects mahilig magbasa rather than manood, it's complete. Next. Ayan, how to register. Yung mga visitors, mako-convert sila into prospects, mako-convert sila into distributors. Magugulat ka na lang, sumali na pala. Magugulat ka na lang, flash out ka pala. Biro lang. Next. Ayan, everything would be there. You would log in using your Facebook. Kaya yung mga mahilig mag-Facebook marketing, suwak na suwak to. Next. Ayan. Okay, prospects turning into distributors. Next. Motivational videos and everything. Next. Gusto ba makakita ng sample? Yes! O, next muna, next. Guys, good news. Next. Next. Sige, next mo ba? Visit this website. It's available mobile, tablet, and PC. Hindi lang sa tablet at PC, pati sa mobile, smartphone, available yan. Academy.com, and very, very soon, next, available din siya through replicated site, johnmac.academy.com. And very, very soon, this would be certified by TESDA as a professional networker. Dalawa po ang ating Academy, online and offline. Isa sa project na Academy, yung ginawa kahapon, Aim Big with Big Al. Very, very soon, pag nagkaroon tayo ng ganong event, umattend ka, subscriber ka ng academy.com, you would receive a certification from TESDA that you are a professional networker. We are upgrading our industry. Para at least, pag tinanong ka ng prospect mo, legal ba yan? Certified po ako ng TESDA. Ewan namin yung ibang scammer, pero kami certified. We know how to sell our products. We know how to motivate people. We know how to build an organization. Okay po ba yun? So do you want to see a sample of the video? Okay, show them.